Why are you behind the refrigerator? Are you stuck? Hansel boy. Look at all the dust you're stirring up. You're making Gretel worried. Yeah, Gretel's worried. Why is Hansel behind the refrigerator? Huh? Why is Hansel behind the refrigerator? Hansel boy. Come on. I don't think you can back out. Oh, what a great effort. That's beautiful. I saw that. Hansel boy, come on. Surely you can get out. You got yourself back there. You can get back out. Reverse, reverse. Hey, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I'll help you. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. I'll help you. Yeah. I'll help you. Come here. Oh, come here, you silly kitty. Hold on. Oh, you're too fat. I can't pick you up like that. You're fat, baby. You are. You're too heavy. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Climb the phone cords. I'm trying to help you. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Are you angry? You shouldn't have been on my counter to be back there. You're a bad cat. Come on. No, don't backwards. Don't go backwards. Climb up the stick. No, baby. Climb up the stick. Hansel. Come on. Climb up it. Yes. Here, climb up the stick. Move. Come on, you can do this. Yeah, you can do it. Don't do that. Look, Sissy's up here looking at you now. Gretel, I gotta see. Come forward. Yes, a boy. Come on. Yeah, good boy. Come on. Use your clothes. Come on, baby. Come on. No, back up the wall. Okay. Get that tail. Come on. Come on. Come on. Climb up the stick. Yeah, just like that. Come on, baby. Come on, use your claws. Good boy. Come on, Hansel. Come on, baby. Hey. Hey, there's my boy. Hey, baby. You dummy.